Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. With its convenient location just an hour boat ride from Southern California coast, this island has been a popular day trip from Los Angeles. Day trippers can plan an excursion brimming with activities or simply explore the charming seaside village of Avalon. This island offers you the chance to soak in the sun, get out on the water, and explore its wild side, or simply stroll the waterfront, check out the shops, and dine with an ocean view. Welcome to the Catalina Island, California. The most common way to get to Catalina Island for the day trip is by taking a ferry. There are 4 different ports to travel out of: San Pedro, Long Beach, Newport Beach, or Dana Point. The ferry rides are operated by 2 companies, Catalina Express and Catalina Flyer, and take about an hour. With clear blue water on one side and colorful shops on the other, Avalon's waterfront is one of its best attractions. It's worth setting aside some time just to stroll this part of the town. Start with a walk on the Green Pleasure Pier, home to the island's private fishing charters and glass-bottom boat tours. Continue along the waterfront towards the Catalina Island Casino, the large, round building visible from any place in Avalon. If you are looking to catch a glimpse of the underwater life but don't want to get wet, then there is this cool semi-submarine called Nautilus. They offer trips that last 50 minutes and take you to a marine sanctuary to see the fish from your own porthole. Especially if you are visiting Catalina Island with kids, this is a great activity. You will be taken through Lovers Cove, a state marine conservation area sanctuary where you will see amazing undersea gardens and ocean habitats in a semi-submersible vessel designed after America's first nuclear-powered submarine called the USS Nautilus. If you have more time, keep walking from Catalina Island Casino and you will end up at Descanso Beach Club. If relaxation is your main goal, feel free to spend the rest of the day here. Chase lounges and cabanas are available for rent, and there is a restaurant on the premises when you get hungry. Take this 1 hour enchanted city tour offered by Catalina Adventure Tours. This excursion includes the majestic 360-degree views that have made Avalon famous as the Bay of Seven Moons. If you would like to know the history behind Catalina Island, then I would highly recommend to take this tour. When it comes to restaurant and dining options, Catalina Island offers something to satisfy even the pickiest of palate. Catalina dining options include exclusive beachfront restaurant, fine dining restaurant, or something as simple as family catered picnic. In downtown Catalina, they have a few golf cart rental companies which will let you rent carts by the hour. Along with the golf cart, you will be given a map of the island. The zip line on Catalina Island features 5 consecutive zips high above Descanso Canyon, all featuring inspiring views of the Pacific Ocean far below. Experience the thrill of floating through the air by taking a parasailing tour. The California Parasail Tour offers 800 feet flights to take you soaring above Avalon Harbor. Catalina is filled with so many fun activities for anyone who visits the island. You can never go wrong with taking a day trip to Catalina Island. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you guys in my next video.